Alita Western Wear downtown. You see one of Kyle's displays there, same style. In addition to that, we have World Finance who joined the trade show at the new location this year and is hosting the Milwaukee N-Track and their modular tabletop double-decker layout on display featuring purchase from over at Morris Antique and Art Center.
Green bullet, yeah.
The two guys he was chasing, the guy with the shotgun?
Yeah, yeah.
James Dean. Was James Dean in there and Andrew Woodard? Well, I got, there's 28 vehicles from
Ride back and forth for free to the Region Hall and to the west end of the show. So again, if you haven't had an opportunity to ride the trolley or the trackless train ride around.
There's more trains.
Okay, get your white tickets out for the door prizes. We're going to do about 5 more drawings. 2074. So, folks, if you not happen to be around here, you check out other places, come back here because we have all the winning tickets on the table. So come back and check and see if you want. Thank you very much, and check out all the other displays all over downtown. Thank you.
Take a look at your white door prize ticket. We're going to do some drawings right now. The first number we have here is 162.